Hi, welcome back to my Movie Monsters series. Well, next up is that little monster from Lord of the Rings, Gollum. And I'm going to start with the top of his head, which is rounded like this at the top. There's a gentle curve at one side, and then more of a definite curve at the other, like that. Okay? And his pointed ears kind of stick out from that point there, coming in about there. And then the bottom of his face is quite pulled in, quite narrow. So we start with the cheekbones here and then pull the sides in quite steeply like that, down to his chin, like that. He's kind of growling here, grimacing, you know, snarling. And of course another characteristic of Gollum, his huge eyes. So one would come in about here, get a big open eye, like that. Another one coming in about there, with the pupils kind of staring out, like a big watery kind of stare, like that. Okay, and his eyebrows pulled down a bit, coming up like that. Another one about there. It's almost like a half snarl, half smile. It's a strange wee expression he has. And then his nose, little nose, and then the lines from his nose coming down over his cheeks quite wide, pulling out like that, down to the mouth, which is kind of almost like a bow shape, slightly like that. And then opening up down to the bottom of his bottom lip there, coming up, and of course the broken teeth in his mouth as well. One there, one in the corner, one here, one there, and his tongue just visible there like that, and then the bottom teeth, broken little shards like that. Okay, and his hair kind of straggles over his bony head, down over his shoulders. And his shoulders are quite high, coming out there and one about there. Okay, so there's a rough shape of Gollum. So let's ink in now. Okay, I'm going to start with a kind of basic Sharpie and start to outline Gollum's head. This comes up in this kind of dome shape like that, up to the top, curving over, and then a little bit more pushed in this side like that. Okay, and his ears coming out like that. The inside you'll see curving up like that and coming down there with this line appearing in there. Okay, and the other one coming in there, top part coming in like that, and the inside just showing there. So let's do the eyes now. Wide open eyes, up over the top, carving around, slight curve up to the corner, same with that one, nice and wide, and this one slight bulge up, and then the pupils, the staring pupils. Like that. Okay, right, eyelid, you get a line coming up over the top of his eye, coming down like that, and here too. And you can see it's fairly wrinkled, so you get the lines under his eyes too coming up like that, it kind of bags under his eyes, coming under there like that, another line coming down. As he wrinkles his brows, you know, kind of wrinkled brow like that, and very faint lines on his eyebrows. You know, you don't see much in the way of eyebrows. And another line coming down there again, very faint lines with his eyebrows as they curve up, like that, like that, and then another line coming down the side of his eye there, kind of creeping over his cheek, and then the nose coming down very broad at the bottom, like that. Okay, and again, you know, lots of little wrinkles, and you can imagine his skin all kind of wrinkled up with age. He's a very old character, Gollum. And that comes down, and that wrinkle joins in to there, his cheekbone. There's another line comes in, and that joins there, you see. His cheek here, coming right in, another line coming into there, the cheekbone. And then the lines from the side of his nose around his mouth, like that. And then this kind of almost like strange half smile, half snarl that he has. Like that. And open. And moving down to his bottom lip there. And going back up again. Doubled up the lip there. Of course, now we can put his teeth in now. And broken little tombstone type teeth with a little one coming in there. And one in here. There. A wee bit of gum. And then his tongue showing in there like that. And his chin now coming down. A wee bit square at the bottom. Okay, and we have his hair, which straggles over his forehead and down like that. A couple of each strands coming down there. And more coming this way, coming behind his ear. These wee strands kind of crossing over like that. And they'll appear coming down behind his ear there. Like that. Okay, and a little shoulder coming in just behind that. Like that. And there's another one here. There, and his chest, as he leans forward, comes in about there. Excellent. Okay, so I'm going to have a look at this now, and see if a look, see if there's anything I can do to improve it. In fact, I know right away I can put in some wrinkles in his head, forehead, coming up like that. Another one, like that. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, well first of all I'm going to employ a smaller pencil, 0.8. This is a wee bit of fine shading. A wee bit of shading just under his nose here, like that. A wee bit around his cheeks, a wee bit in here. And the lines going close together, coming down like that. Okay, up under his chin as well. There's a wee mark under his chin there, like that. Okay, and some smaller lines coming in here under his eyes. A wee bit more shading in there. Okay, also his ears. I think I'll draw some. We'll make it totally black. Just do a bit of close line shading there. Like that, okay, and in there too, and under the bottom of his nose, just there, like that, and maybe a little bit of shading in here too. Wee bits of lines in there too, underneath the eyebrows a bit, like that. Okay, and maybe a wee bit down here. That's better. Okay, now I think maybe I'll now move to a little more shading in here. Yeah, I think I'll move to the pen again and fill in his mouth black behind these teeth, just to make it more dramatic. And his tongue there. Yeah. Excellent. There we have it, and maybe a wee bit of shading on the tongue, just to so the inside of his mouth getting a wee bit darker there. That's better. And perhaps some shading in here too, under his chin. Even more. Going up there. Excellent. You know, he's such a wrinkled character, Gollum. I think you could carry on and just continue to put little bits of detail in, you know. But I think it looks pretty good there. Okay, so I think we'll leave him there. Now, I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you enjoy me in my next tutorial. I'll be, you know, doing another movie monster. But in the meantime, of course, all the best and happy drawing.